नाइन्थ क्लास कंप्यूटर गेस्ट पेपर 2024। इस वीडियो में आपको नाइन्थ क्लास कंप्यूटर के शॉर्ट एंड लॉन्ग क्वेश्चंस के बारे में बताया जाएगा। अगर आपकी तैयारी नहीं है तो ये अच्छे से पढ़ लीजिए और आपके अच्छे मार्क्स आ जाएंगे। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस यूनिट नंबर 1, डिफाइन प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग। व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय वेल डिफाइंड प्रॉब्लम? What do you know about understanding the problem? When analyzing a problem, what do you mean by planning a solution? Mention strategies for problem solving. Define algorithm and flowchart. What is the purpose of oval shape, terminal shape symbol in flowchart? What is the purpose of input output symbol of flowchart? What's the purpose of rectangle symbol in flowchart? Draw a flowchart to convert Celsius to Fahrenheit temperature. Draw a flow chart to determine whether a given number is odd or even. What is the role of algorithm in problem solving? What is test data? Give example. Compare verification and validation. What are the disadvantages of flowchart? Unit number 1, long question. Most important long question is, what are problem solving steps? How do you determine the requirement of flowchart? Explain the symbol used in flowchart in detail. Define algorithm. Argue on its role and importance. ये आपने अच्छे से कर लेने हैं. Short questions from Unit 2. Difference between volatile and non-volatile memory. What is number system? Difference between binary decimal and hexadecimal binary system. What is computer memory? Also write its type. What is storage device? What is the difference between internal and external storage? What is ASCII? What is Boolean preposition? Give some examples. What is truth table? What is AND operation? What is OR operation? What is NOT operation? What is truth table for complex Boolean expression? Important long question from Unit 2. Convert 6, 9, 6, 10 bracket 10 to hexadecimal. Convert ABCD 16 to binary. Differentiate between volatile and non-volatile memory. Differentiate between temporary and permanent storage. Short questions from Unit 3. Define computer network. What is network and networks? What is client? What is server? What is network topology? Mention its types. What is data communication? Mention its component. What is sender? What is the difference between static and dynamic IP? Describe the working of web browser. What is the advantages of user communication on networks? What is data transmission? What is TCP and IP model? Define HTTP and SMTP. What is IP address? What is router? Write advantages and disadvantages of star topology and bus topology. Define communication channel. Long questions from chapter 3. Very important. What is TCP IP model? Describe its 5 layers and their function. What is the size of IPv4 and IPv6? Explain the method of calculate the size of both standards. Define computer network model. Explain its any 3 layers. Explain routing process in detail. What is data communication? Explain component of communication system. Unit number 4, short questions. Give a reason to add CAPTCHA. What do you mean by privacy of data? Define piracy. What do you mean by confidentiality of data? Give example. What do you mean by software piracy? What do you know about copyright law? What is cracking key? What is computer virus? What is sector code or key? Who is hacker? What is the difference between cryptographic keys and password? Write any 2 characteristics of good password. What is cyber crime? Describe its activities. What is hacking? What is the use of cookies? What do you mean by computerized system? Long question from Unit 4. Give the reason to add CAPTCHA on website. What is cybercrime? Explain its steps. What is phishing attack? Write 3 characteristics of phishing emails. What is meant by encryption? Explain the importance of everyday life on the internet. Short questions from Unit 5. Differentiate between ordered and unordered list. What is the difference between hyperlink and anchor? What do you know about HTML? Define hypertext. What is the role of HTML? Name the types of list in HTML. Define hypertext. What is the role of HTML? Name the types of list in HTML. What is the use of hyperlinks? How we create web page using HTML. Differentiate paired and singular tags. What are the attributes in HTML? What is text formatting? Which tag is used for adding image? What is metadata? Explain step involved to create a HTML page. And the last is long question from unit 5, very important. Write down the procedure to create a web page and display it. If you like this video, subscribe my channel, like our video. Thank you so much.